All right. So another point that I had to make that I didn't make in the previous stream with Burns is that cancer is none of your business, Kfarr. Kevin James Farrar of Toledo, Ohio, a fake cop who supports stolen valor and aligns himself with multiple felons. Um, Really just shouldn't be talking about my personal medical issues, but he continues to do so. And, this was one of the things that he commented. I mean, this is just disgusting. It's just like Chile wishing children get bone cancer. And just to make it a little more clear, this is the screen grab here. Um, They are both scared of me. They are both in their 50s and completely useless human beings that are losing the fight with life. Oh, is that a cancer reference? The same guy who thinks that a hashtag Kfarr's kids should get cancer, whatever the fuck it is, right? The same dude that has bitched for like a month about somebody, one of his detractors, one of the people that correct him all the time, like saying a hashtag, and Kevin just shitting like just needs the sympathy, just needs the fucking sympathy, right? Losing the fight with life. Okay, how? I don't know you. I don't know who you are, or I don't know. I know a lot about what you publish online. You'll say things like Savannah, Gilly, and Pickle, right? And then you'll get all mad when somebody else repeats it. Oh, that person's a pedophile. So what is it with losing the fight with life? Let me know. You're not that important. You're not a big YouTuber. You're an asshole that uses cancer for clout. No different than Chili. No different than Ricky Pinzon. Uh, I don't understand. Uh, Kfar, it's none of your business. First of all, and I have beaten cancer twice. I'm currently not going to lose my life, lose my fight with life, as you put it so eloquently here. Losing the fight with life all by themselves because they're 50 years old, which is insulting like 90% of your audience. I mean, the audience that just also does this, like, just, ugh, right? Yeah, no, not dying. Sorry. You can keep rooting for it. You filed what? Like you said in a recent video. I don't know how he has this channel up still. I filed like nine privacy complaints. All of them unsuccessful. Then you cried to your police department. Oh, I'm being stalked. These people are responding to me and they're showing that I'm an idiot. Yeah. So you're going to have to count on something else. You're going to have to try to maybe get me incarcerated. Maybe you could get JJ's help on that. Maybe KT Zirk filing false police reports. Uh, Cancer's not going to get me, bro. It hasn't got me twice. But you'll turn around and you'll be like, I can't believe that they used a hashtag that I just made up in my stupid little head, my fat head, Eminem fuck head. Don't know what the fuck you're talking about 98% of the time. That cancer is the only way that yeah, they're losing their fight. You don't know nothing, dude. You're not important. You're not important. You're a piece of shit that roots for cancer. That's what you are. Straight up. So I had to make that point on the other stream, and I didn't. And you know, who roots for cancer? Like, who wishes cancer on somebody? It's a terrible disease, dude. And it's given me some good healthcare that has unlocked a whole bunch of other problems. It turns out I'm allergic to everything. I'm allergic to your bullshit, Kfarr. Can you imagine a doctor saying that? Because I can. Uh, you're just you're a cancer yourself. You don't know what you're talking about. You're like desperate to cling on to the Schrodinger cat and the anti-auditor community. Like, you think you know what you're talking. You just assume anyone that argues with a cop is a sovereign citizen. Anyone that gets their window broken is a sovereign citizen. That's just dumb. That's just dumb. Cause you're dumb. Because you get so angry about other people calling back out your bullshit that you are resorting to like laughing about cancer and that people should hurry up and die. They're losing their life. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. Even like some of your biggest fans have called you out on that, and you still continue to do it. Like, that's new. Like, that's a comment from a couple days ago, right? Like, what's it gonna take, man? Losing the fight with life. You're associating me to broken system, broken trust because you call us stalkers, but you watch everything I do online. You'll use hundreds of sock accounts to make contact with me. I mean, stew on that. Take all the time you need. It's just weird that a guy that won't help his wife around the house is just constantly bitching and complaining. You're such an angry person. You got to resort to like, oh, cancer. I hope it takes their life. Put them in the wood chipper. And then I actually recently found a clip of you calling me a fucking pedophile. See you in court, bitch.